If you are a trader and you don't have capital to get started with trading, this video is for you. Now, whether you're a beginner or you're a pro and you don't have a capital to get started with trading, all you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the step-by-step guide on how you can get capital to get started with trading. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a $100 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading seamlessly. And as I said, it's a no deposit bonus account. You don't have to make any deposit to get this particular account. And towards the end of this video, I'll be telling you the terms and conditions required for you to make withdrawals from this particular bonus account. Now, for you to get the link that will get you started to getting the account, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description of this video to take you right to my Telegram channel. Right here, you can see right showing on the screen, take it to my Telegram channel. All you have to do is just click on join the channel. When you join the channel, you get updates and information regarding any video that I dropped and further information that you need to know concerning any bonus. After joining the account, the next thing you want to do is to click on the link that will bring you right to the interface where you are going to get started in claiming the account. Now, before I continue, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel or you've been watching videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on details, information, updates on Forex No Deposit Bonuses, free funded account, profit account, and how you can make money online. Now, let's get started in claiming this particular account. The next thing you want to do is, after clicking on the link that is in the description of this video, it will take you right to the Play Store or your App Store where you are going to download this app right showing on the screen. The name of the app is Trendo app. As you can see right showing on the screen, it is called Trendo. This is the app that you are going to download. The next thing you are going to do is to click on download. You install the app right here. Then after installing it, you can go ahead and open the app. Then you get started with trading. So once you download the app, this is what you have showing on your screen. As you can see right here, follow this step to get the $100 no deposit bonus account. All you have to do is just log in, verify your KYC, and you can get your $100 no deposit bonus. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to register an account with them. You have to register an account with them. Now, you click on the login right on that part. As you can see, you click on login or register. That is what you have to log in. Then you go ahead and click on register because you don't have an account with them here. So you're going to register, put in the necessary details that you need to fill in right showing on the screen. Then after that, you log in. Then the next thing you are going to do right here is to verify your account. You have to verify your account. Once you verify your account, then we can now go ahead and get started with trading. Now, you will notice on this part in the right screen, right showing on the screen, that this account is currently showing demo. Now, we want a real account. We are getting a real $100 no deposit bonus account. So you are going to tap on it, then you click on real. Once you click on real, the $100 no deposit bonus will pop right showing on your screen, as you can see. So the next thing you are going to do right is to tap on it. You have to tap on the $100 no deposit bonus. As you can see, then you click on it's saying please wait. Then the next thing you are going to have on your screen is congratulations, you have received a bonus for trading. This is what you have showing on your screen now. After that, the next thing you are going to do is to go ahead and start trading on the app. You are going to be trading on this app, not your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5. If you click on trade right showing on your screen, your balance will be there. As you can see right showing on the screen, your $100 no deposit bonus is right there. You have your balance active. Now, for you to trade, you click on chart. As you can see, then this is where you are going to be trading. You can go ahead and pick any pairs that you want to trade with on this platform. As you can see, not a MetaTrader 5, not a MetaTrader 4. You'll be trading live on this app. Now, this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. Onto the terms and conditions. Now, the terms and conditions says that in the bonus account, if you achieve at least 200% profit each week, then you can withdraw your $100 no deposit bonus after 1 month. As you can see right here, if you're able to achieve 200% of the bonus, now the minimum withdrawal that you can make on this platform is $50. That's the minimum withdrawal, but you can withdraw as more profit as you want on this particular platform. Now, this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. I hope you've been able to get one or two from this account. when you are able to get your $100 no deposit bonus account, please do well to comment, and also you can send to me in my Telegram so I can share with the community that this account is active and people can also go ahead and get this account. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment from where you are watching from, and most importantly, you subscribe so you don't miss out on details and information concerning how you can make money online. Also share the video so that more people can get to see this account, so YouTube can push it to other people so they can also get the opportunity to make money online. See you in my next video. Bye.